In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an About Us page on Shopify, step by step. This guide will help you create a page that not only presents your brand's story, mission, and values, but also strengthens your connection with customers. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account and navigate to your store's homepage. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Pages in the sidebar menu. Clicking here will take you to a new section where you can manage all of your store's pages. Now, let's add a new page. You'll find the Add Page button there, which you should click to start the creation process. At this point, you'll need to give your new page a title. In this case, it's most fitting to use About Us, since that's what your customers will be searching for and expecting. After you've titled your page, it's time to move on to the content section. Here you'll want to tell the story of your brand, who you are, what you stand for, and perhaps how you got started. Make it engaging so that potential customers will see the passion behind your products or services. Next, you'll find a section labeled Visibility. You'll want to set this to visible, especially if you're ready for the public to see the page. However, if you want to keep it hidden until everything is perfectly polished, you can select a delayed publishing option. Scroll down a little further to find the Template section. Choosing the right template can enhance the look and feel of your page, ensuring it aligns with your store's overall theme and aesthetics. Once you've entered all your details, don't forget to hit the Save button. It's a critical step to ensure you've not wasted any of your hard work. The necessity of saving can't be emphasized enough. It locks in all your creative input. To view and adjust how your About Us page fits within your site's design, navigate to the Themes section from the sidebar. Select Customize, which will guide you into another portal where you can see the layout and adjust it seamlessly. Inside the page editor, click on the home page. This is where you can start visualizing how your new page will look to your visitors. Find the Pages section here and select Create Template. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your new template. Something like About Us template will make it easy to identify later. The option to base your new template on an existing one will appear. Choose one that closely matches what you envision for your About Us page, or start fresh if you have a unique look in mind. Finally, after selecting your base, click Create Template to finalize this part of the process. And there you have it. You've just crafted an About Us page on Shopify. Remember, this page is an excellent tool for building trust and showcasing the human side of your brand. Feel free to revisit and tweak it as your business evolves.